Hi, it's Nick here at MedTech World. I've got Nicole Black with me, and we've been lucky enough to have her. She's been showcasing with us here in terms of tech innovation uh, and talking with us on the panel, startups, how to, I guess, make corporate relationships between the hospitals and companies, etc., working on that, and a great litany of success behind you. And it's great to have you, Nicole.
Thank you so much for having me. I've been really enjoying the conference so far here at MedTech Malta.
Cool. I think I've seen your face around. Have you been at this circle before here in this lovely place in this building?
So this is my first time at MedTech Malta, but we did a joint event with MedTech Innovator and MedTech World in San Jose back in June after our Innovator Summit. So that's our big conference where we welcome all of our startups into the program each year. And so we had an Investor Day with MedTech World, and yeah, a great ecosystem to be part of.
Wow! And this time we managed to get you to the other side of the planet. It's wonderful having you. I'm so happy because, I mean, you help hundreds of business people to make their dreams come true in this sector. You know, a successful incubation unit that has to take them through all stages of the product life cycle, from early phase.
Yeah, all phases. We have about 65 companies that go through the accelerator program each year. It's about 4 months total, but very competitive to even get in. So a lot of these companies have applied multiple years in a row. This year we had about 1,500 companies apply for just 65 spots in the program. But throughout the program, we offer them a lot of great resources. So depending on their stage, we tailor it to that, whether that's mentorship with strategics like Johnson & Johnson, Zimmer, Dexcom, or service provider support for their clinical regulatory goals, webinars, and then showcases at great events like this, even after they graduate the
Great
program.
together. These are a list of supports that are there for the entrepreneur and the entrepreneurial team, to lead them, to guide them. A lot of them coming from disparate groups of areas like engineering. They may not be in the business before, but it's great to have mentorship, you know. But you're here. Are you looking through the new technologies? Are you assessing the list of startups who've been qualified to actually be here and to present?
Yeah. Actually, that was one of my favorite parts of today, was going through the booths of the other startups, non-MTI startups that are presenting, and seeing their technologies, and seeing who could be a good fit for the accelerator in the future as well, who we could help out. That's what I think is really great about this conference is, we get folks from all over the world here that not necessarily have already been exposed to our program and what we can offer. So it's been lovely chatting with them and learning about all the different innovations from, targeted radiology to new bone implants, and also introducing them to the MedTech Innovator companies. So creating this bigger ecosystem in MedTech, because it is so hard to be a MedTech startup in this day and age. So the more support you can get from each other, I think, is also important.
Great. And these MedTech innovators, these founders, they'll be looking for your face. We'd love to give you their elevator pitches coming to a conference near you, hopefully a MedTech World one. Thanks so much for being with us, Nicole.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.